Hi grade 4s. Today we are going to learn about shapes, and we're going to learn specifically about 2D and 3D shapes. That's on page 108 to 109, and then we're going to look at flat and curved sides, page 110 to 111 of your textbooks. Now if you look at this is an oval that I cut out of a paper, and because it's flat and it doesn't have any dimension to it other than this flat surface, it's called a 2D shape or a two-dimensional shape. Now if you look at this tin, this is the exact shape that I used to trace and cut out the oval, but this tin actually has a shape. It takes up space. It's not flat like a piece of paper. And this we call a 3D or three-dimensional shape. So if we look at this one, for example, this is a rectangle that I cut from paper. So this is a 2D shape, whereas this Bible is a 3D shape because it's not flat like a paper. It takes up space. It's a 3D shape. Now, if I look at my 2D shape, my rectangle, I can say what is the length and the breadth of this shape. And that's the only thing I can measure in that flat shape. But if I look at this 3D shape, I can measure the length and the breadth. And when I turn it like this, I can also measure the height of it. So that's 2D and 3D shapes. Now, if we look at any kind of shape like this one, it has sides. This Bible has long sides and short sides because it's a rectangular shape. Okay, and all of these sides, it's almost like a ruler. It's flat. I can put it flat on the table, and therefore it's called a flat side. That's a flat side and a flat side. It's all flat sides. But if I look at this one, this is more rounded. It's not straight, and if I put a ruler next to it like that, it won't go exactly with the ruler. It curves to the sides, and so those we call curved sides. So if I look at this 3D shape, if I hold it like this and I look at that surface over there, that is a flat surface because it's flat. But if I hold it like this and I look at the sides over there, that's a curved side. So this tin specifically has flat sides at the top and at the bottom, and it's got curved sides all around the sides of it. This 2D shape has only one curved side, and it's the same with a circle. And this 2D shape has 4 flat sides. Okay, so that's flat and curved sides. And then we're going to also look at the different shapes that we get, mathematical shapes. So this ball over here is a 3D shape, and it's a perfect round circle. And this is what we call a sphere. So if you have a circle that's drawn on a page and it's a 2D circle, then we just call it a circle. But when it's 3D like this, we call it a sphere. This glass over here is a 3D shape, and it's got a flat surface at the bottom, and it's got a curved side all around, and this is called a cylinder. Now if you look on page 111 of your textbook, it gives you all the different shapes you need to know and their names. So this one is a rectangular prism. That is like the Bible that we looked at. It's a 3D shape that is in the shape of a rectangle. This one is called a cube. That is a 3D shape with a square shape. So all the sides are the same lengths, just like a square. This one over here is called a square-based pyramid. It looks like the pyramids we have in Egypt. So it's got a flat surface at the bottom in the shape of a square, and then all the other sides that go up to the point at the top are in the shape of triangles. Then we have a cone at the bottom there, and a cone is exactly what you're thinking of now, like an ice cream cone. So it has a circular base at the top, and then the sides go down to make a point at the bottom. This is a cylinder, like the glass that I showed you. The base is in the form of a circle, and it's got a curved side on the outside, and then the sphere is like the ball. In this picture it looks a little bit like a circle, like flat, but it's difficult to draw a 3D circle, but it's a sphere like the ball that I showed you. Okay, and that's it for today. Enjoy your activity. I'll see you soon. Bye.